Good afternoon, this is Paul from Barbonia, and today we'll talk about a dish that pretty much every third or second customer not just love it, order more of it, actually ask for the recipe. So I will try to explain the recipe today. Our cauliflower is actually a cauliflower, which is a hybrid that goes between broccolini and cauliflower. So the stems are green and the tops are white. And as you see, it's raw, it's got no treatment whatsoever. So this is the dish. Basically, it's very simple. It's all about timing, freshness, and quickness. And the result is spectacular. More so, it's completely vegetarian, it's completely vegan, and it's really good for you.